This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. They use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient, as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter, which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They have electronic controls with a remote and sleep mode as well as a timer function, but the remote does not sense the room temperature. The units do not use self-evaporating technology, and so periodic dumping of a condensate bucket is required. The AC005 model is available in either 8,000 or 10,000 BTU capacities. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.